Living life on the edge. I adopted a puppy. This is Waterfalls! What is this? It's so good. It's like if they turned honey into a solid deep fried cookie. Wow, 너무 맛있는데? What is it called? Suma? Kurma. No, it's really hard. This is really good too. Oh my god. Wow. You guys, I'm loving it here. The weather is perfect and the market is really bustling. I can't believe they're still selling produce this late. Like usually night markets are just like food stalls and snacks, like late night snacks, but here they have produce and people are buying them. So cool. And by the way, people are talking to me in their language thinking I'm Indian. One local specifically asked if I'm from Manipur. Now I feel like I should visit there to see what the people look like. That's it for tonight. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, I just checked into my hostel here in Shillong and the rooftop deck is out of this world. Check this out. What? Wow. I always love when clothes are hanged like that. I think it's so cute. Wow, like look at this. I hope I make some friends here so I can go on some adventures with them. That'd be so much fun. Good morning from Shillong. Today is a beautiful day and we're gonna go hike the bamboo trekking. I have my personal friend May from the hostel. Because? Yes. Yeah, we're gonna go bamboo trekking together on this scooter. The trekking is supposed to be not too hard, but it's a little scary if you have fear of heights, but you know I love facing my fears, so let's go on an adventure. Beginning of our trek. It's so beautiful here. Wow, and the weather's perfect. Max, Lily,
I don't think
they don't care. I need a treat, right? Hey. Oh, you guys must be so hot. Oh, it's beautiful dogs. Oh, this is so cool. Wow. Yo, it's shaking. Looks like there was an old one that's blocked now and they built a new one. This looks a little scary. This it's very bouncy. This is a nice hike. It's a nice road. Wow. Guys, this is awesome. What? Can't believe how clear the water is. Oh my god, look at that. Wow. It's insane. It's also kind of scary if there's nobody here, but it's like just perfect amount of people. They did a really good job with these. It feels very safe. I'm hiking up a mountain on these bamboo tracks. I love nature. Yoo-hoo! Oh, this is an adventure. Oh, we're so high up.
Pretty cool.
You're very cool. I love it. I love hiking, so I've been to many hikes around the world. This is one of the coolest because of the oh my god, okay, it's actually scary here.
I think I have seen this picture.
This is the wait.
Yeah.
Oh, 5 persons at a time. How do I know how many people there are? I can't see. Yo, this is so scary. Oh my god.
Are you scared of heights?
Yeah, I'm terrified. You guys, this is actually so scary. Oh look, There's nothing under here. Living life on the edge. But the view is actually incredible. I can't believe I'm walking this. It's so scary, but somehow I think it's because it's so beautiful here and these are so sturdy that I feel safe. Like I'm not that scared. Actually, no, I am. Hold on. It's longer than I thought. Wow. Wow. Oh my god, the hanging bridges in Costa Rica is nothing compared to this. Look. See? We're actually crossing a real bridge.
Yes.
With nothing at the bottom. This is the most adventurous hike I've ever done. Woo! Yeah! I thought we already went to the major viewpoint and we're gonna turn back, but we could keep going. And there is the top final viewpoint. Let's go check it out. Wow! I can't believe we almost missed this. This is insane. Whoa! Wow. Oh wait, there's more. What?
That looks insane.
That looks insane. Wow, this tree is so cool.
Yes.
Oh, everyone's like swimming and they just hung their clothes up. Whoa. It's so cool. Wow. Ah! Okay, I just felt it. Oh my god! Ah! Feels so weird. Oh my god! Okay, I don't like it. This is nice. Oh, you made it. You're like Lion King. Okay, yay! How insane is this water? God, there are baby chicks. Oh, so cute.
Where are you planning to stay today?
I'm sorry. Go back to sleep.
They get scared.
Oh, I just wanted to pet her. Sorry. Oh my god. It's so good after a hike. Yes. We're almost back to the top. Coming back up was really difficult in the sun, in the incline. But we made it. Ah. That was fun, right? Because?
Indeed, it was fun.
Yeah, I loved it. One of my favorite treks. Alright, heading back to the hotel. Let's go. Ooh.
How is it?
Wow, that's so good. Has a bit of like sourness to it. I really like it.
Dumpling is good?
Very good.
Puppy, 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 puppy. Hello. Hello. Oh my god, he's so cuddly. Don't bite. Hey, choo, choo, choo.
Does he have a name?
Simba.
Simba! Oh, that's so cute! Simba! Oh, so cute. My baby. I adopted a puppy. You're coming with me. Let's go back to Canada. Simba. Have you seen snow? Good morning. It's another beautiful day here in Shillong, and today we're going on an epic adventure. We're gonna find natural swimming pools and do my favorite thing in the world, which is to go cliff jumping. I'll see you there. Heading over to Waterfalls. Let's go. How long is the hike down?
10 minutes.
Oh, okay. My legs are still sore from all the hiking yesterday. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. We're in the middle of a jungle, it seems like. And here's a beautiful fall right here. This is awesome. We found our spot to go cliff jumping. Oh, the pool's actually so big. I love it. Woo! Wow! 3, 2, 1! Wow. We had so much fun here. Now we're off to the next spot, which is supposed to be really magical. So let's go find out. Hey guys, now we are at some kind of a really countryside village. It's a very small village and all the kids are staring at us because I guess they don't really have that many visitors. And from here we're gonna have to walk about 1 kilometer to our next destination. Yeah, I'm very excited. I want to say hi to them. Hello! They're really shy. They're kind of walking away. Oh, you're so cute. Hey. Hi, baby goat. Meow. Wow, it's so quiet and peaceful here. I would actually love to stay here one night. That'd be so cool to stay with the locals. These people are so innocent and pure. They're just so curious of why we're here. This is the road we're gonna hike. Hello! Hi! Hi! Off the beaten path we go. Feeling adventurous again today. You guys, check this out. What is this place? This place is magical. It's definitely off the beaten path because we're the only tourists here. Everyone who's visiting, they're all locals. So I think I'm gonna keep this place a secret. Sorry guys. If you want to find places like this, I suggest just going to Google Maps and like looking for places that kind of look good. Like you can do like satellite view and see if it looks cool, and you can just go check it out yourself. Don't depend on the thousands and 10,000s of reviews. Don't go to touristy places. This is how you find the true hidden gems. Wow. India continues to impress me because I almost cried at Top Station because it was so beautiful. This is also beautiful in a different magical way that I cannot express. I hope you get to see it in person one day, but in a way it should also be kept as is because it's so precious right now. Oh my god. Wow. That's insane. We made it to the falls! It feels amazing. It's freezing, but it feels so good. Wow, I never want to leave this place. I just want to camp right here. It'll be the perfect place. There's a little place for bonfires. Man, what a life. I'm so grateful. I think that's it for today's adventure. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, keep it real and stay wild. Hello, this is you. The village people are out just like looking at us.
Hindi. Hindi आपको आती है?
But we can't communicate with them.
Hindi. Hindi.